Good morning, everybody. I came outside to a very pleasant surprise. A flower I've been waiting for it to bloom. It bloomed. Look at that. Beautiful Casa Blanca lilies. Look at those. Isn't that gorgeous? That's amazing. Nature just, it amazes me. So, this fall, I'm actually going to propagate these because it looks like now we've got quite a few stems there. So I might pot a couple bulbs up and see if I can't get them to grow. There's a lot of blooms ready to go there, huh? That's gorgeous. Well, happy farming. Later, y'all.